Well, that didn't take long. Guys, I just had this in the water for not even a minute. Let's see what we got here. Trying to get us some carp here this morning. What did we get here? Now it's carp. Wow, that was super quick. Not a big one, but there we go. I did not even get my camera on and set up yet. Let's let him go. Wow. Well, that was cool, but let's see if we can't get a bigger one. As soon as it gets a little lighter out, guys, we'll go over the gear and the bait I'm using. We're just fishing this little portion of the creek here. Everything's real low. Haven't had much rain lately. I mean, we're talking super low, but this is one of the deeper holes in the creek, so that's where we're at today. So here's what we're using for bait. Right there, all that is, I made it up last night. It is frosted flakes and oats, sweet potatoes, and a little bit of sweet corn in there. There's another one. Pretty nice one here. Tree right there, I gotta get him away from. Oh, this feels good. Yeah, this is a nice one. Oh yeah. One thing about carp, boy, they will do whatever they can do to get unhooked. They do not play. Because he's got me struggling. Man, what a beast. He is not done. That's a nice fish. I got you, buddy. I got you. Holy cow. Get this hook out of you. Well, I'm gonna have to come over here and get my pliers. Oh guys, there's one. Nice 14.5 pound carp. Let's get him back in. Whew, it's a lot of fun. Man, what a fight. Here's the setup, guys. Just 1 ounce lead weight, no roll sinker, swivel. I have, this is I think 80-pound braid mainline high vis. I got a 65-pound braid leader on here that I'm using. I have a bobber stop keeping my pack bait from going down to my hook. These are just wire cages you get off Amazon to hold your bait. Work really good. I've never had a problem with them. And then it's a small little bait holder hook with some corn on it. That's all it is. But I tell you, the sweet potato setup is absolutely amazing. You guys mix your bait up. You want it kind of sticky, so it really holds into the cage really well. Just like that. Perfect. That's going to stay on there for a good while. Guys, I'd say we got one on here. Little one. Well, that's a the hell is that? Get this hook out of him. That didn't take long to get hooked up. Once I got that line out in that spot there, 3 minutes in. There he is. I always like 3 pieces of corn on the hook. I forgot to turn my camera on, guys, but got a little one on here. Got rid of him. Little guy. Oh, I lost him. God damn. I'll get this one. Yeah, he's a nice one. Oh, I lost him. Man, what is going on here? I don't understand. Hook's good. Shoot, he was a big fish. All right, I'm going to have to retie my leader. Just to go over my equipment real quick, guys, you don't need to spend a lot of money at all when you want to get into carp fishing or basic catfishing for all that matters. Both the rods I have are Berkley catfish rods. I think they're like 7-foot medium heavies. Spinning rods, obviously. The reels are Cast King Sharky Bait Feeder 3s, I think is what they're called. I think they're the Bait Feeder 3s. And I'll leave a link to everything in the description. Reaction tackle off of Amazon is my main braid line. 80 pounds, I think it is. It may be 65. I'd have to look it up. I've had it on, I've had it forever, and just put it on these reels just to have some good strong braided line on. Like I said, the little wire bait feeders that I'm using to hold my pack bait off of Amazon, cheap. I got them like 6 for something, but I'll link it all in the description. But like I said, it doesn't have to be an expensive sport to get into. All right, let's hope we can get another one. I got a couple nibbles going on my line, so hopefully we get something hooked up here soon. Another nice one, maybe. I lost my pole on that one. Oh, I lost him. I don't understand why they're coming off of these hooks. That really sucks. That was a nice fish. Oh, we got him this time. Yeah. Thinking this is a channel cat. No, it's carp. Oh, these guys are just so active. Oh, let's get this up here. Whew. Not a bad one. Well, guys, nothing big. Probably about 8 pounds, 6-8 pounds. But we're gonna wrap this video up. Caught quite a few, lost quite a few. Definitely need to look at my hook situation. Using Mustad number 6 bait holder hooks, and just wasn't really getting the hookups like I thought I would. I was losing them. They were coming undone. So let me get this guy back in the water. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and we will catch you on the next lake.